Alright.
Hey guys, hey guys, Gus out here. Welcome back and do another video. Today is my last day here with Zach, which he's recording me. Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Okay, so we're gonna tell you a little bit about what just happened to us the other day. If you can remember correctly from that other video I just did, follow me, Zach. We had this 17 horsepower engine in it. This is the engine we had in it yesterday. Alright. Okay, so that's the engine we had yesterday. And me and Zach were racing, so we tied a string to the throttle choke right there. And to make a long story short, we blew the whole engine up. So I'm taking this home for a scrap. So this is the new engine. Me and him did a complete engine swap in one day. It was like so easy. It's upside down. Yeah, but this is a new engine, way bigger. Same tires, same everything. Alright, so this ain't what the video is about. We're doing wheelies today, guys. Here goes Zach. Alright, good? Can you get me in the frame?
Yep.
Alright. So, we've been riding so much, guys, down there. Hey, you're gonna walk down there in a minute. I didn't give you say you okay yet. But we've been riding so much down there, we've uncovered a bit of dirt. And what good thing about that dirt is, you can't do wheelies on ice. Me and Zach already figured that out last winter. So, Zach, you wanna start heading down?
Yep. Christian, lock it up and let's go. For it.
You don't have that much in or left. At least we got that pretty big one, right? Hey, at least we got that big one.
Yeah.
You guys just hear that? Okay, so that's. Do you want to do really with the Murray?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So, hold on. Zach's gonna get the Murray out. Oh, hold on, guys! I just fell on my butt. Woo! All right, here she goes. Yeah, go! It didn't even lift up. Go again. What the heck? Shut it off. Tell them why it's not doing wheelies.
Because the belt's too cold.
This belt right back here,
Yeah, this one.
this belt is like freezing. So that's why we can't do no wheelies.
I can warm it up, and it does wheelies.
Yeah, I'm not going to waste our time doing that. But, alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Say bye, Zach.
Bye. Bye, cutie girls.
Okay. Bye, guys.